Do this today and see the magic. Hello, this is Neha, and today I'll talk about what kind of things you can do to attract and manifest your goals and wishes in 2025. So, the first point is you have to be clear what you want to manifest. And once if you are finished with it, then you have to be follow the second and the next step what I'm just going to be saying here. And that is the you have to start with gratitude. Like suppose you have like the 5 6 wishes you want to attract in 2025, then you have to be start with the gratitude. For instance, I can say if I want to attract money, then I can write down like that: I am so grateful for the abundance of money coming into my life or from all the directions. I thank you, I thank you, I thank you so much. Okay. So this was like my affirmation I can write down because it could be like your wishes. So you have to be start with the gratitude. So that was the second point you have to follow. And the third point is you have read them. Read all wishes you have wrote down already. Okay, once or twice you just have to be do that. And the final, not final, but the next point is you are just going to be write down at least 3 actions align with the every wishes. If you want to attract money, then you have to be write down what kind of action you can take to attract money faster. Okay, so just write down at least 3 actions that you can take to attract more money in your life. And the final point is you don't have to be read those wishes what you have wrote down. You just have to be open that particular notebook or that particular page where you have wrote down on 1st January in 2026 to see how many wishes already fulfilled, already manifested in 2025. But what actions you have write down, you have to be read them every day and just try to take action. Just try to work on them. What action you have write down and just do this and see the magic.